Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and a question we get very often is, when should I replace my appliance or should I just get it fixed? Great question, and it's become a little bit more complicated as appliances have become more energy efficient and our lifespans have decreased on appliances. So if you're looking, let's say, at repairing a refrigerator that may have cost $1,000, you have a side-by-side refrigerator that costs $1,000, and the unit's 8 years old and it's not cooling, you're probably looking at a fairly expensive repair, and you're probably looking at a long lead time in terms of getting a repairman to your home. So in that case, I would suggest go out and buy a new refrigerator because you're probably at close to that life expectancy. But if you have a more expensive refrigerator, like let's say a counter depth French door like this Signature unit, and the unit's 5 or 6 years old, yes, I would definitely look at getting this repaired because of the actual initial cost of the product. So when you're looking at what your initial costs are and gauging kind of what that repair amount will be, if it's close to half of the cost of the product, I definitely would go ahead and replace it. Say you have a top load washer that you paid $600 for. It's 6 years old and the unit's not spinning out and you have an error code on your control board. That's another one of those things that you need a washer pretty quick and you've got a lot of faults going on with it. And if you look in your use and care guide to kind of depict what those fault codes are, and if it says call service, I definitely wouldn't call service. I would just repair the unit, or excuse me, I would replace the unit versus repairing the unit, because again, you're looking at over half of the cost to repair the unit and you still have a 6-year-old top load washer. So one other example would be maybe another high-end brand, like, or a high-end product like a built-in refrigerator or a wall oven that has an initial higher cost. That's when I would look at repairing a product. A very expensive dishwasher like Miele, like Cove, like Thermador, Gaggenau, some of the higher end Bosches, if it's 5 or 6 years old, yeah, I'd probably repair it. If it's over 8 or 9 years old, I would really talk to one of our service advisors before you go ahead and make that service call. Because number one, it may be a better experience for you as a customer to purchase a new dishwasher versus waiting to get it repaired and then waiting another period of time to possibly wait for parts. And we're still a very expensive repair and you have an older dishwasher. So general rule of thumb, if it's going to be close to half the cost or more of fixing the product, I would never fix it. I would always replace it. Thank you for watching. Love to hear your comments below. We love this interaction. Go to donsappliances.com, and thank you again for watching.